ang pababa. Mauna ka. Anong kakandeng ka? Yan. You are the one that makes me happy. Baka matulog. And everything else turns to gray. Maganda pala kumakanta sa exit, no? Ni Echo. Yours is the voice that makes me morning and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me, and all the answers that I need. Okay, second floor na ako. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Yay! Malapit na ate. Okay na yan. Kita mo na yung first. Yan na. Wala, tapos na yung ginawan ako. Nasa ground na ako. Challenge accepted, ate. Oh! Yay! Nakaya mo. Basta bumaba kaya ko eh. Huwag lang pa ako lang. Kasi gagapang ako ba't naman.